In Squarespace, you can customize the URL slug and meta descriptions for individual pages, blog posts, and other content to optimize your website's search engine optimization and improve how your site appears in search results. Here's how you can change the URL meta description in Squarespace. Change meta description. Login into your Squarespace account, open your web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Edit the page or post. Similar to changing the URL slug, navigate to the page or blog post you want to modify. Click on Edit or the pencil icon to access the editing option. Access the page settings. Look for the page settings or settings option and click on it to open the settings panel. Edit the URL meta description. In the settings panel, locate the option to edit the meta description. This might be labeled as meta description, search description, or something similar. Click on the field and enter or modify the meta description text. Save your changes. After updating the meta description, save your changes by clicking the Save or Apply button in the Settings panel. Remember that the specific options and terminology might vary slightly depending on your Squarespace template and version. If you have trouble finding the options or making changes, you can refer to Squarespace's official documentation or contact their support for assistance.